Writing an effective business plan is crucial for the success of your business. Whether you're starting a new venture or seeking to grow an existing one, a well thought out business plan can help you clarify your goals, attract investors, and guide your business in the right direction. Here are some tips to help you write an effective business plan. Number 1. Start with a clear executive summary. Begin with a concise and compelling executive summary that highlights the key points of your plan, including your business's mission, products or services, market opportunity, and financial projections. Number 2. Define your business concept. Explain what your business is all about. Define your unique value proposition, the problem you solve, and how your products or services will meet the needs of your target market. Number 3. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to understand your industry, target audience, and competitors. Provide data and insights to support your claims and strategies. Number 4. Know your target audience. Clearly identify your target customers and explain their demographics, behavior, and needs. Understand their pain points and how your business addresses them. Number 5. Competitive analysis. Analyze your competition, their strengths and weaknesses, and how you plan to differentiate your business from them. Highlight your competitive advantages. Number 6. Business strategy. Describe your business's overall strategy, including marketing, sales, and operational plans. Explain how you will reach and retain customers, your pricing strategy, and your distribution channels. Number 7. Team and management. Introduce your management team, their qualifications, and their roles in the company. Investors want to know that you have a capable and experienced team. Number 8. Financial projections. Create realistic financial projections, including income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Provide detailed assumptions and explain your revenue model. Number 9. Funding requirements. Clearly outline your funding needs and how you plan to use the capital. Include information about your current funding status and any potential future funding rounds. Number 10. Risk analysis. Identify and address potential risks and challenges your business may face. Discuss your mitigation strategies and contingency plans. Number 11. Marketing and sales plan. Detail your marketing and sales strategies, including customer acquisition, retention, and growth plans. Discuss your budget, advertising, and promotional strategies. Number 12. Milestones and goals. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals for your business. Outline the key milestones you aim to achieve and when. Number 13. Appendices. Include supporting documents such as market research data, resumes of key team members, legal documents, and any other relevant materials that provide additional context. Number 14. Keep it concise. While your business plan should be comprehensive, avoid unnecessary jargon and keep it concise. Investors and readers appreciate clarity and brevity. Number 15. Regularly update and revisit your plan. Your business plan is not a one-time document. Review and update it regularly to adapt to changing market conditions and business goals. Remember that your business plan is a dynamic document that should evolve with your business. It should serve as a roadmap to help you achieve your goals and secure the support you need from investors or lenders.